Hi everyone, I'm Yana here with Spellbinders, and we're taking a closer look at some of the new collections that we have at this show. So right here we have the So Sweet collection by Tammy Tutterow, and it's a beautiful mix of dies and stamps. Now Tammy did a really great job, and she designed these specifically to work with felt. Now we have some project examples here showing how you can use these products not just with felt, but with paper. So we have beautiful handmade cards, and these were created by our in-house designer, Debbie Adams. And on the bottom shelf here, we have the actual felt projects created by Tammy Tutterow herself. And she did a really great job. She incorporated a lot of the different layers, and she combined many of the different dies together. So it's overall a very beautiful and fun collection, and it lets you experiment with other materials. You can go beyond paper and use other things as well.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!